In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX585 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download this resetter file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. And click Extract button here. After that, you can open the resetter folder and you can run the adjustment program. Please click Accept here. In here, you can just click Particular Adjustment Mode button, or before that, you can select the manual part, or you can just select Auto Selection. Continue by clicking Particular Adjustment Mode button here and select Was Ink Pad Counter and click OK. In here, don't forget to tick Main Pad Counter option and the Flatten Pad Counter options. After that, you can click Check button. Then you can click Initialization button. After the resetting is successfully, you can just turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. Then you can close the resetter programs. In any case you face error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. Then you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX585 printer using resetter adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.